MAPE presents PURTOP FR System BRoof, the complete BRoof T2 certified system for waterproofing and protecting flat roofs from fire. The resistance to external fire of flat roofs is a topic of growing interest when designing buildings. The fire resistance of products used for flat roofs is regulated and evaluated by specific standards and tests. Classification is based on the results of 4 types of tests to measure the external fire exposure resistance of flat roofs. External fire classification is awarded according to whether or not one of these tests is successful: BRoof T1, T2, T3, T4. The presence of photovoltaic systems or other equipment on a roof or of activities carried out on a roof can represent a risk factor. In such cases, the installation of a roof system with the ability to slow down the spread of flames guarantees better protection for a building from external events. PURTOP FR system. This system is made up of the following: substrate, primer SN, PURTOP FR, MAPE code PU20N. The system guarantees excellent adhesion to substrates, quick application, immediate waterproofing and protection, high mechanical properties, excellent certified fire resistance properties. By easily passing the trials and tests specified by the applicable standard, PURTOP FR system is classified BRoof T2 for both combustible and non-combustible substrates. PURTOP FR system BRoof T2, the certified system for protecting your flat roof from fire. Find out more at mape.com.